Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm sitting cross-legged on my bed again, but this is not the main thing I'm going to talk about today. I'm going to talk about this thing, but the thing is that, okay, welcome back. I just got back from IKEA or IKEA. We can pronounce this word, this brand two ways. IKEA ก็ได้ IKEA ก็ได้ If you pronounce like IKEA, that will be more like American style. But IKEA, that will be just like the origin. Oh my gosh, what is happening with me today? If you pronounce it like IKEA, that is from the original word, from the original country where this brand is from. ถ้าเกิดออกเสียงว่า IKEA ก็เหมือนกับต้นฉบับของเจ้าของภาษานี้เลยหมายถึงว่าเจ้าของแบรนด์ที่มาจากประเทศนี้ก็ IKEA แต่ว่าถ้าเกิดออกเสียงไป IKEA ก็จะเป็นแบบ American มากขึ้น and I just got back from IKEA. Well, before this I pronounced more like IKEA, but now I started to feel more comfortable pronounce like IKEA. Yeah, I just bought this thing. This is not a guitar. No, it's not. มันไม่ใช่กีตาร์ but this is A or an ironing board. This is an ironing board. This is very small, very portable, very light, เบาด้วย and I love it so much because, well, as a person who is living in a very small place at the moment, so this is so suitable for me. มันเหมาะสมกันมากๆเลย because it is foldable as well. มันพับได้ It is foldable. Okay, I'll move back a little bit. Yeah, it's foldable. I just can put on my bed and then I just start doing ironing. This is my iron. Shh. I just bought this, so I have never used it before. เพิ่งจะซื้อมาก็เลยยังไม่เคยใช้มัน so I can't really say that this is good or bad, but I love the size. It's very compact. Size มัน compact มันสะดวกสบายมันเล็กอะbut okay, one more thing is that there is a hook as well. A hook มันมีฮุกด้วยเอาไว้แขวน if you want to hang it somewhere to save the space, so well, yeah, this is really good มันดีมากๆเลย yeah, and I will start iron my clothes very soon, yeah, because, well, I'm a lazy person and I think this will help me a lot. This is my iron. Before this, I used this kind, something like, I'm not sure what it's called actually, but it use steam. So maybe it's called a steamer. I'm not sure. Do check that out, yeah? Do not believe me everything, yeah? I just use whatever I feel comfortable, and of course I'm a lazy person. Yeah, and I am a forgetful person as well. I forgot to check this word before I start filming this video. ลืมว่าจะเช็คคำนี้เพราะว่าไม่ได้คือคิดคำคร่าวๆว่าจะพูดว่าอะไรยังไงบ้าง steamer เหมือนเครื่องอะไรรีดไอน้ำอะไรเงี้ย steamer should be a steamer. Yeah, this thing cannot help me much, especially for pants. ถ้าเกิดว่าจะรีด if I want to iron my pants, this thing won't really help. So I will have to go to traditional way of how we iron our clothes. So pants should be this way, this original device to iron our shirts, our pants, our clothes. ก็น่าจะเป็นสิ่งเนี้ยที่จะเอาไว้ใช้รีดต่างๆนานา so ถ้าเกิดจะรีดสิ่งนี้เมื่อก่อนอะ before this I just used this oh my gosh, I just iron my clothes on my bed, which is not very comfortable. I don't like it, so yeah, ta-da, I got this. A foldable and tiny ironing board. Whew, it's almost 5 minutes already. This is very fast. Well, that's alright because I'll be back again and again, yeah? If you like this kind of video, yeah? Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and bye. Take care.